Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner and the versatile 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit. The Andis T-Outliner is renowned for its precision and professional-grade performance, while the Spaver 13-in-1 Kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your grooming needs. We'll explore their features, pros and cons, and help you determine which one suits your grooming style best. Let's get started. The Andis T-Outliner operates on a corded electric power source, ensuring consistent and reliable performance without the worry of battery life. In contrast, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit offers the convenience of cordless use, allowing for greater maneuverability and ease of travel. However, this comes with the trade-off of battery dependency, which may affect performance as the charge diminishes. The Andis T-Outliner is a specialized trimmer designed for precision edging and close shaving, making it ideal for barbers and home users who prioritize detail. On the other hand, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit is a versatile solution that includes multiple attachments for various grooming tasks, catering to users who want an all-in-one tool for their grooming needs. When it comes to pricing, the Andis T-Outliner is more affordable at $62, making it a great choice for those looking for a high-quality trimmer without breaking the bank. In contrast, the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit is priced at $99, reflecting its versatility and the inclusion of multiple attachments, but it may be considered a premium option for some users. In conclusion, both the Andis 04780 T-Outliner and the 13-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit have their unique strengths. The Andis T-Outliner excels in precision and reliability, making it perfect for detailed grooming. Meanwhile, the 13-in-1 Kit offers versatility and convenience for those who want a comprehensive grooming solution. Consider your grooming needs and preferences before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.